Now, the topic before us is benefits of multinational corporations. First benefit, employment generation. MNCs create large scale employment opportunities in host countries. Next point, automatic inflow of foreign capital. With the entry of MNCs in the host country, the inflow of foreign capital is automatic. When an MNC comes to the host country to set up a unit or start its operations, it may purchase land or buy the land on say lease, or it may buy machinery or other products. All these products require money. So there is automatic inflow of foreign capital in from its parent organization to the host country. Improvement in balance of payment position, as many products for the MNCs are exported from the host country, it increases the exports of the host country. It improves the balance of payments position of the host country. Next benefit, end of local monopoly. The entry of MNCs leads to competition in the host countries. The new scenario, that is the entry of MNC in the host country, compels the domestic companies to improve their efficiency and quality, and it ends the monopoly of local companies in the host country. Next point is growth of industry. Multinational companies help local producer or domestic industry by setting up partnerships. Most of the requirements of multinational companies in respect of raw materials, spare parts, etc., are being met by local suppliers. Next benefit of multinational companies is assurance of quality products. MNCs assure good quality products to the products to the customers. Next benefit, improvement in standard of living. By providing the best quality products and services at a better price, MNCs help improve the standard of living of people of host countries. Now the time for questions for practice. How MNCs improve the balance of payment position of the host country? Next, how does the entry of MNCs results in the end of equal monopoly? Next, how do the MNCs help to improve the standard of living of people of host countries? Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.